Welcome you all to ATM Creations channel. In this video, as you can see, there are 4 different designs of lamps, and in each design I have 6 lamps with me right now. We will paint them all in this video. Stay tuned. This is the first lamp design that I am going to paint. Let's get started. In the center I am painting with metallic grey. Now on these bigger petals I am going to paint with blue, that's metallic blue. In the remaining portion here, I am going to paint with light pink. I'm painting these entire edges with grey again. The first set of lamps are fully painted. I'm sure all of you like this. We'll move on to the second set now. Now starting with the second design, here I'm going to paint with dark green metallic color. Now in the remaining places I'm going to paint with light green. Now in the edges I am going to paint with bronze. I'm sure the second set of lamps also came out really well. We will move on to the third set now. This is the third set of 6 lamps that we are about to paint. Let's get started with it. I'm going to paint this portion of the earthen lamp in dark violet metallic color. Now in this portion of the lamp, I'm going to paint with antique gold. Now I'll paint with light violet metallic color. I'm going to paint these edges with copper. I'm sure third set of lamps also came out really well. Let's move on to the fourth set of lamps. I'm going to paint the entire portion with metallic blue. In these small petals kind of a structure, I'm going to apply gold. Now in these corners I am painting with golden yellow. I'm sure all of you loved this fourth set of diyas that were painted too. Thank you for watching this video.